Guava plants are fascinating. They have a variety of interesting characteristics. The common guava plant is scientifically known as Psidium guajava*. Guava is native to tropical regions of the Americas. It likely originated from an area extending from southern Mexico into Central America. The guava fruit is known for its sweet and slightly tangy flavor. It is round or oval and can be green, yellow, or maroon on the outside when ripe. The flesh inside can be white, pink, or red and contains numerous small, hard seeds. Guavas are highly nutritious. They are rich in dietary fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, folic acid, and various other dietary minerals. One guava can provide more than twice the daily recommended amount of vitamin C. Guava leaves are often used in traditional medicine. They are believed to have antibacterial properties. They are used to treat various ailments, including diarrhea and dysentery. Guava plants are evergreen shrubs or small trees. They can grow up to 20, 30 feet, 10 meters tall. They have a shallow root system and can be grown from seeds, cuttings, or grafting. Guava plants produce white, 5-petaled flowers with numerous stamens. These flowers are often fragrant and can attract pollinators like bees. Guavas thrive in tropical and subtropical climates. They require warm weather and are not frost-tolerant. Optimal growth occurs in temperatures between 68 degrees Fahrenheit and 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. Guava plants can be affected by various pests and diseases. These include fruit flies, guava weevils, and fungal infections. Regular monitoring and appropriate pest management strategies are necessary to maintain healthy plants. In addition to being eaten fresh, guavas are used in a variety of culinary applications. These include making jams, jellies, juices, and candies. The fruit is also used in beverages and desserts. These are just some highlights about guava plants. They are valued for their fruit, medicinal properties, and versatility in various applications.